Mic check, mic check. Damn. All right, yo. Welcome back to Potato Rice and Trade, where I wake up slightly early in the morning, trying to see if we do have any opportunity to long or short the Bitcoin. So basically, what I mentioned yesterday, wherever it dropped 5%, remember, just buy, all right? So I'm not sure whether you guys limit at 55,000 or 56,000. If you guys limit 56,000 each, then probably you have the first entry. Yeah, yeah. Then probably you have the first entry. So make sure every 5% drop, remember, just trust me. All right, this is not a financial advice, but this is what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna. It's not recommended, but this is what I'm gonna do if let's say you wanted to have a brainless, what we call brainless operation. All right, so this is the point 55,000 each, and then 52, then 49.5, and then like 46.5, and this is the area. So you guys limit around this area, you guys should have the first entry. All right, you guys should have the first entry, right? Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we have 5 entries, so every time 20%, 20%, 20%. So of course, I will let you guys know if let's say the price didn't drop to 43,000. All right, I'll let you guys know. All right. So this 43,000 is, I would say, is a very, very um critical point. So if you guys think of, oh, I don't want to have such a high price of what is it called? Bitcoin, then probably you can just buy like 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, and then you'll see how later on. Right, so as the key point is as long as you take action just like DCA down, if let's say you have like 10,000 US dollar, if you think of, it's very risky, potato is very risky that will have to like risk like 10,000. Of course, then you can risk 5,000. You can risk 5,000. All right, so every single 5%, you just buy 10% of your capital, and then after that you can wait for confirmation, then only you purchase the rest of the Bitcoin before the whole bull market up. So I'll keep you guys updated from time to time, like what to do and stuff, and yeah. All right, so if you guys follow my Twitter, I mean X right now, shit. I keep using Twitter as a name. You guys go to highlight. You guys can go to highlight and check out the first post. Check out the first post. All right, the first post actually mentioned how I actually doing my long and short. Okay, we long at, we long at this 51,000. We long at this 51,000, and then I hedge with my short at 61,006. 61,006, and then right now I'm still holding the short. I'm still holding the short. All right, I'm still holding the short. Um, yeah. In fact, I actually add on more of my shorts, which is around, let me check, what's the price? Let me just update Twitter. Now, let's just update my X. Let me just update my X. 61,000. Where is, because I partial take profit, and then I actually add on more, and then my average price actually go to 60,800. Let me just screenshot this. Oh, I can just repost to X. Wait. I mean, I'm pretty bad in updating X, so if you guys are in Discord, that is better, but I'll try my very best. All right, I'm trying my very best to update every single time. All right. Uh, let me just update X. Highlight. For X. One sec. 6,800. One moment. Okay, cool. Updated. All right, and yeah, let's see how it goes upcoming. All right, and oh, my ranking actually dropped. My ranking actually dropped. All right, never mind. Yeah. So let me see if we have any questions. May I know how do you see 56,300 as a support? I got one shot at 57555. Can hold to 54. Wow. 57555. Okay, let me answer one by one. How I see 57 as a support or 56,000 as support. Using different tools. All right, using different tools, all right. So one of the tools is, if I'm not mistaken, is from here to here. I don't remember where I draw that. Yeah, 56.3 is 272 is a Fibonacci 0.78. So it's a Fibonacci 0.78. So pretty much I would like to long there if I'm still awake, but too bad, as in I was sleeping. All right, I was sleeping. So if I'm still awake, then definitely I'll long here. All right, if I'm still awake, definitely I'll long here, or at least like partial take profit of my shot. All right, but for this shot, right, I actually limit my take profit at 55,200. I actually limit at 55,200. So yeah, uh it didn't hit yet. All right, it didn't hit yet. So for those who actually shot at 57,500, which is just now, if you ask me whether it can go to 54.5, it had to break 55 first. You have to break 55 first. All right. The reason being, yeah, the reason being is, if you guys long at this area, so what I mentioned earlier on, I would recommend you guys to take partial take profit. All right, partial take profit. Let me just like post this in Discord. All right, I think I'm just worried that uh wait, where is my shot? If you guys are not sure what I'm doing, just let me show that I'll just show my screen. Yeah. Anyone shot keeping, yeah, shot. So what I need to do every day is to update everyone, so what is going on, and yeah. So if you guys are in Discord, that is better, because I can update like from time to time, and then I can categorize. all the chats instead of Twitter. So Twitter is mainly on, I mean, X is mainly on my update for a longer term. All right. So yeah. Long at 56,300, 56,600. It's good because I asked everyone to long at 56.3. Yeah, I asked everyone to long at 56.3. All right. This is a good point to long. So this is, so if you guys are watching me in analyzing the chart, you guys know that how I trade. So basically 56,300 is a Fibonacci of 786. So this is definitely a support. So if you see I draw boxes like green boxes, all these are entry point. All these are entry point. All these are entry point. So it's just that usually what I'll do is I'll wait until to see any reaction. Usually what I do is I'll wait until any reaction. But right now, let me see. Right, this is down. Let me see. Wait 1 hour. Let me see if there's opportunity to go down again. All right. Okay. We have, oh no, not that strong. Oh, I think it still go down. It will still go down. It will still go down. All right, it will still go down. So I'll still hold my shot. I still hold my shot. All right, it might go down probably. I'll see again. Probably it will go down to 56.7 or 56.4. This is an area I'm looking into first. All right, this is the area I'm looking into. Probably I close my shot and let me just put in text then. Probably close short and open long. Long is like have to see reaction. All right. If you guys know my style, right, my stop loss is very, very near. Right, it's always like 1% or no less than 1%. So I always like to see reaction instead of yeah, instead of putting limit there. So even though I ask everyone to short, I ask everyone to short. Did I ask everyone to short? And then I think I kind of like announced it in the live stream, but did I just ask everyone to short? Oh, I did, I did, I did, I did, I did. I did. All right. I asked everyone to short, and then 60K of stop loss. 60K of stop loss. But for me, myself, my stop loss actually at 59,800. 59,800 is about 1%. It's about 1%. But I mean, it's better for me to tap 60,000 than 59,800 like that, no. So yeah, so my stop loss is nearly hit. My stop loss is like 59,888. So nearly hit my stop loss, to be honest with you. Nearly. See, nearly hit my stop loss. All right. So that is how I do it. That's how I do it. All right. And if you guys long at 56,300, it's gonna be a short-term long. It's gonna be a short-term long. So I'll recommend you guys to partial take profit. At least that partial take profit. I mean, of course, right now I wouldn't be able to see how far it will go. Probably until 58.4. I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure because based on what I'm seeing right now is I don't see any momentum to go up anytime sooner. I don't see any momentum to go up anytime sooner. All right. So yeah, long at 57,000. Or if you long at 57,000, make sure you have second entry. Make sure you have second entry. All right. Make sure you have second entry. All right. 57,000. Make sure you have second entry. Or probably right now you should partial take profit or do whatever you need to do. All right. So yeah, this is kind of like tunnel this is what we call parallel channel that we drawn since the beginning. So we have a fake breakout, and then it come down to the bottom of the channel. Right now, if let's say it broke this channel, like broke 56,000 each, then probably we can see like 54 or 52. So right now, definitely this is the support. This is the support, but yeah, support is meant to be broken. Yeah. So yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Let me just order some Grab because I'm damn hungry. Malaysian food. Oh, guys, give me a while. Just want to order some food. $2.8. Guys, just give me a while, yeah. Oh, I know what is missing. Yeah, Grab. I'm ordering Grab. Because it's kind of like drizzling outside, so yeah, I'm not going to go out. Or let me just play some song. Yes, Grab. I'm ordering Grab. That item. All right, cool. So basically, my life will end when my Grab is arrived. All right. So you guys can either depends on the Grab time or yeah. So pretty much, I want to do my life slightly longer than or slightly shorter. It really depends on the Grab driver. All right. So you guys can ask as much as question you want because today is Friday. Today is gonna be my last day of streaming of the week. And we are going to have a weekend party. Oh, by the way, I'm not going to do. I wouldn't be able to update more on what is it called live stream during the weekend because I will be heading to Johor. I'll be heading to Johor. All right. Oh, damn. Damn, we do have bullish divergence in all the time frames. So for those who long at 56,300, right? Just put your safety pin. All right, just put your safety pin. Just put your safety pin. All right. I mean, move your stop loss to cut. Move your stop loss to entry. Safety pin as in move your stop loss to entry. All right. I actually didn't see this. We are at support. Like 56.3. Oh, we have multiple support lying on here, man. I should just take profit. Damn it, why I put 55,200? Damn it. And because I put my stop, I put my take profit at 55,200. Let's see how it goes. That's about trading. So there's a saying that you can't eat everything. You can't have all the profit with you. So yeah, as long as it's profit, it's profit. All right. Just make sure you guys take profit. And that's the main thing. Just make sure you guys take profit. All right. Are you guys listening to me? Just make sure you guys take profit. All right. This might not be a financial advice, just my personal sharing. Previously, when I started to do trading, I always don't take profit. I always think that I can take a bigger one, take a bigger profit. What if I didn't take profit here? It dropped down to 55,000, from here to here, there will be another like probably like 5%, like you see like 3% and stuff, Yeah, so just take profit, all right? Just take profit, right? Just take profit. Take the damn profit, all right? Take damn profit. All right, let me delete this. So Spencer asking if my short near entry price recommend to close. Your short. I mean, definitely you have to see your plan. That's what I can advise, because this is not my trading plan, right? That's not my trading plan, so I can't advise much. So what I can see is it might actually go up once again. But if it go up once again, right, it's a bit dangerous. It's a bit dangerous because 1 hour we do have a bullish divergence. We do have a bullish divergence at 1 hour, but usually 1 hour is kind of like fake one. I mean, the success rate of 1 hour is kind of very low. I would say very low. I don't remember how many percent. So yeah, I mean, you have to hold your own risk. All right, you have to hold your own risk. All right, got it. Yes, Spencer. Yeah, because 1 hour, 1 hour for MACD, 1 hour for MACD, bullish divergence. The success rate is very low. Let me just pair with. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, you have to put your own stop loss. All right, Spencer. I can't advise much because this is just not my trading style. I'm not sure where you put your stop loss. If I would like to short at 57,500, I would most likely put my stop loss around 58,800. But it's a bit far, so yeah. I'll partially take profit the moment, alright. I will partially take profit the moment it retests the trend line, alright. The moment it retests at 56,075, 56.75, alright. 56.75 for your short. I will partially take profit and move my stop loss to entry. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do if I were you. If I were you, but yeah, just personal sharing, alright. If I were you, yeah. I'm thinking, should I move this into like this? Yeah, this is more like it. Okay. If down again 56,000, no, I wouldn't. There's a high chance it will broke down. There's a high chance 54. And this is what I'm looking into long, all right? So I always ask you guys to like, DCA down and stuff like that, but I'll limit I limit my spot at 54,000. So that's what I'm doing. I'll limit my spot at 54,000. Yeah, I bought some at 50. So right now if go down to 54, I'll buy again because I haven't finished my bag. It's just that 54 I wouldn't buy much because yeah, 54 to 51, I mean this area I'll plan my spot. So usually how I do, right, let's say this is the area, like 4% gap, right? So I will just split into 10 entry. So I'll put 54,000. Yeah, I will split into 10 entry and just like put my limit there. But this is 4%. Probably I will just put like 4 entry, like 1 entry, 1%, 1 entry, because I'm not sure which one is better. So at the end of the day, my average price will be around 53. Yeah, if let's say we take all of it, so my average price will be 53,000. So usually what I'll do is yeah, I'll do like that. So it's rather a bit complicated, but just sharing my thought, right? So pretty much, let's say you have like 10,000 to invest in Bitcoin. So there's 2 options. two option. All right, the first is DCA all the way. Right, then if you are risk averse, you can just put everything 10,000. If otherwise, you guys can do like option 1A. All right, risk averse. I'm not sure whether my pronunciation is correct. I think it's this. Hopefully. Hey. Yeah. I usually order 110 min. Alright, DCA all the way, and average price will be around let me just calculate everything for you guys, like 55,500, 52.5, 55.5, 52.5. All right, it will be like 55,500, 52,500. Then 49.5 and 46.5. 49.5, 46.5. All right. Last at 43.5. So trading is all about mathematics, just to be honest with you guys. All right, just to be honest with you guys, trading is all about mathematics. So your average will be around all right. So this is option 1. So this is option 1, more risk averse. All right, this is risk averse. So you can go for option 1A, which is also DCA one all the way, but with 50% of your capital. 50% of your capital. So your average price also will be the same, but you will be only use 5,000. You'll be use 5,000. The rest of the 5,000 you'll keep it. Right, you'll keep it. Of course, if you ask me what's the more advanced management, there's a lot of way of management. So yeah, don't ask like what kind of management that we are looking into. There's a lot. It really depends on your risk appetite. So what I do is I actually bought at 51,000. I go up. I actually shorted 51,000 from 51,000 until now. So it really depends on what you are looking into. All right, got it? Got it? If you guys got it, just type a BTC, just let me know. All right, just let me know. So this is one of the way, and then DCA all the way. All right, we have option 2, which I am more keen to, I would say. It's just my personal preference. All right, so instead of 10,000, I will split into 2 entries. I split into only 2 entries. One at 52. Yeah, this area. One is at this area, and then another one I'll probably put into 49. Let me see. So the reason why the reason why I can just expose all my entry point for you guys, because I actually found out a way that aware so that my price, my limit will be hit even though I review the price. So usually I don't review prices because of the, because everyone will limit there. So what I'm gonna do is because I'll do different management. Let me just be honest with you guys. I'll do different management. All right. So if you guys don't know what I'm doing in option 2, make sure you guys don't follow. All right. That's what it is. All right. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll actually limit at 53,000, 51,600 to 54,000, this area. So I'll put like same thing. Let's say 10,000. I'll put 5,000 at this area, and then I will split into 4 and 3. Okay. All right. So option 2, 51.8 to 54.2. But I'll do hedging. All right, I'll do hedging. So if it broke down, I will add on my short. I'm not sure whether you guys get it or not. All right. So, but then if you guys don't know, you can just follow whatever I'll post everything in Twitter or in I'll post everything in X or in Discord how I do it. All right. I'll limit here. So when it broke down, I'll open short. So I don't lose the value. All right, I don't lose the value. I'm not so sure whether you guys manage to understand or not. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. But if you guys don't know, so you guys just can follow what I do, exactly what I'm doing. All right, okay, got it. Hopefully got it. All right. I try my best to share what's my thought at a bigger time frame, a smaller time frame, and etc. So I hope you guys can understand. Yeah. All right. Cool. What are you having from? Yeah, I just told you I'm having wonton mee. In fact, actually, I'm not feeling that well. I've been having Panadol for a few days, probably bacterial infection, so I'm under medication. So yeah, just need to make sure I get enough food and medications. All right. Yeah. So just to let you guys know, for this bullish divergence, if let's say Bitcoin is not going up in, I would say 3-4 hours later. Okay, if let's say Bitcoin don't go up in 3-4 hours later, right? Most likely this bullish divergence will be invalidated. You use coin to hedge or you both? I use both. Because my coin future is rather more complicated because I did something wrong previously, so it's very hard for me to show you guys my coin future. Because I did something wrong previously. I did something wrong previously. I was too ambitious, so right now I need to save my what's it called? I need to save my position. I need to save my position, so it's rather a bit hard for me to explain to you what my coin future is doing. All right, it's rather a bit hard. So yeah. If you meet me in Johor or upcoming in Climb Gathering, probably I will show you. But I mean, I just told you I did something wrong, means I'm in deep shit. All right, so I need to save up. I need to save up the mistake that I made. All right, so yeah. Okay, got it. Yeah, if you get shorted, right, your stop loss have to be very far away. Have to be very far away. Right, I can show you. I can show you when we meet up. Then I can explain better what kind of thing that I fucked up. All right. I'm in deep shit lah. To be honest, my coin future is in deep shit. My coin future is in deep shit. So yeah, I don't play a lot of coin nowadays. I don't play a lot of position nowadays because I can't manage it. So yeah, I have a short-term play. So probably I'll do an account. Probably I'll do an account, like another account to do how can flip from small capital to a bigger capital. But I'll see how it goes later. Okay. Yeah. And do you guys have any questions? Because as mentioned, I don't see a lot of coins, to be honest with you guys. All right, I don't see a lot of coins, so yeah. Ew, damn, this Ethereum. Let me just clear up all my lines. I have too many lines. So morning usually is my time to clear up all my lines, to freshen my mind so that I'm not being um, confused with all my drawing. All right. I'm not being confused with all my drawing. So you can see I have like a lot of drawing. I mean, there is a lot of management. There's a lot of way for you to manage your position. So I'll try my very best to share you the way I manage it, and probably you guys can get a 2 cent of it, and you guys can choose which way you want to choose. So right now, the way I manage my Ethereum is in different. It's in different kind of like mode. So I have a lot of this yellow color line. So let me just delete all this. This is kind of useless, right? Okay, I do have a lot of this yellow color line. So every time it broke out, then I will add on my long. Every time it broke out, I'll add on my long. Right, but of course, cannot just based on trend line itself. I'll look at more stuff. I'll look at the reaction of it and see whether it's a fake one or a real one. Let me draw this, but this is too steep. A lot of time people ask me why your parallel channel like that, why it's like that. So I don't know how to explain it, just probably based on experience. So if you see the channel or the trend line is very steep, then most likely it's not saying that it cannot be used. You need to have more other supporting confluence. I would say, yeah, the word is called confluence, right? The word is called confluence. You need to have other confluence to support that. All right, to support that. All right, to support that. So yeah, for Ethereum, right? I'll plan my long around 2003. Okay, I'll actually focus more on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, the reason why Ethereum, uh, let me just tell you a small secret why I want to focus on more Ethereum. I do have a small little project that I wanted to do. Uh, I wanted to earn like 1 Ethereum from what I'm having right now, like extra 1 Ethereum to buy something. So when I achieve that, then I'll let you guys know. Right? I want to earn 1 Ethereum. I want to earn 1 Ethereum to buy something. Right? To buy something. So I'll let you guys know what I'm buying. So probably I'll start it by today or tomorrow. By today or tomorrow, like how I managed to earn 1 Ethereum. All right. On how much capital am I going to use? Probably 500. Probably I just like quadruple my wallet. Right. So when I manage to do it, then probably I'll show you guys what I bought. All right. Solana, so many LL. Solana, small time frame, many LL. Oh yeah, yeah, indeed. There is a lot of what we call bullish divergence. But I wouldn't long this Solana because it haven't really break out from the trend line. I still shorting Solana. Oh, let me show you guys. I still shorting Solana. I'm still shorting Solana. Let me ask the group. I'm still shorting Solana. Yeah, I'm still shorting Solana. All right. Yeah, just hold it. Just hold it. 160. 160 means you just follow my footstep then. I'm not sure whether you have the same cut loss with me. My cut loss is 165. My cut loss was 165. So up until here, I have about like 1 to 4 risk and reward ratio. I actually partial take profit. I partial take profit. I partial take profit. All right. And yeah, I do long. I long at 110, and then until here. And let me just delete all these useless which I took profit. All right. Upcoming, if you would ask me, let me see. It's not looking that good though. It's not looking that good. We have bullish, we have engulfing, bullish candle pattern. All these up is weak. Go down. We have a huge one. Well, this is a bullish one. And bearish. Wow. Bearish. Well, I need to wait. Maintaining, not really. Let me see. Let me see. Give me a while. Give me a while. No, it's not. It's medium. Just give me a while. Oh, definitely it's still short. Definitely it's still short. Just that where can long? I need to draw a lot of stuff, which is not happening right now. If you ask me where to long, then I'll actually long at here then. Right, guys, can you just give me a while? I need to drink some water. I need to drink some water. All right. All right. If you ask me, Solana, where can you long? I would definitely say this area. But once it reach this level, then only I will need to see a reaction. Of course, you can limit. Of course, you can limit because I'm a trade. Okay, I can't say I'm a trader. All right, I'm more concerned of the entry price. All right, so yeah, let me just see. So yeah, pretty much is quite good. Yeah, this shouldn't be come back again. Yeah, I'll limit my long. I limit my long about 121 to 130 this range. 121 to 130. But if you ask me like what's the like exact price point, right? Yeah, I wouldn't be able to give you perfectly though. I wouldn't be able to give you perfectly. If you ask me, right, Solana is actually not that good. If you see it right now, it's not that looking good. Yeah, but then can try. The potential is there. The potential is there. So if you guys gonna long at let's say 132 example, all right, 132. Yeah. So probably stop loss around 117 each. Okay, probably like this, all right. Yeah, let's say 117. So it can go back to here, then you have about 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Then if let's say it broke here, then you can go up to here, then you have 1 to 4. So Solana is kind of like thing that you have to manage. You have to probably like, partial take profit or, throttle at margin, and there's much more complication you have to do. But I wouldn't long this Solana because the MACD look like shit. That look like shit, right? In small time frame. So if any big drop, right, all these are screwed. If any big drop, all these are screwed. All right. So yeah, that's the thing why I don't want to do long on this Solana. So like how big is a drop, right? Let me just tell you how big is a drop that is screwed. All right, 10% drop. If it drop 10% right now, like around this area, then all this divergence is invalidated. So there's a reason why I wouldn't limit to long Solana. I might be wrong, but just that the risk is just it's not worth it. Just literally saying not worth it. All right. Let's see how it goes. All right, just let's see how it goes. So if you guys wanted to know more, and then you guys can bug me every day in Discord. All right, you guys can bug me every day in Discord and ask me like, what happened to Solana? What is going on? What should I do? You guys can bug me in Discord. All right, especially in trading chat room. All right, yeah. So I think my life can still ongoing because my Grab is not. Oh, my Grab is coming. So probably I'll stop my life very soon. My Grab is coming in 15-minute time. All right, in 15-minute time. So if you guys watching my live, must be wondering how you guys can join Discord and access to all this channel. So you might be able to join the Discord, but you might not be able to access all this premium premium chat room. So I would say it's free. You just have to open a BingX account. You just have to open a BingX account, deposit. No need to deposit, just KYC, and you can manage. You'll be able to get 7 days free trial on our VIP services. All right, what is VIP services? Where you can watch all the live stream. So mainly in Chinese. It's just the morning. This session is in English. So if you guys know Chinese, please join us because every night we have Chinese live stream. We have like at least like 2 every day. Right. at least 2 every day. You can see like we have like, you know, every day we have this phone live stream. We have ZRR 特别盘面. We have GM what is this called GMT? I think I did. Who created this? Oops, let me just edit it a bit. There's something wrong with this. All right, so if go down, kernel safety pin re-enter. You mean Bitcoin? Not really. I'll see how it goes later. I'll see how it goes later. All right, not really. All right, not really. How come I do have a chat here? Yeah. So if you guys wanted to, if you guys know Chinese, just to be honest, if you guys know Chinese, because all this live stream is in Chinese, all right. So we have all this premium live is in Chinese, like GTM is in Chinese. We do have an MMM. We have MMM is in Chinese. We do have a TAP is in Chinese. All these are Chinese, and yeah, pretty much. If you guys wanted to know more, if you know Chinese, because we do our channel started off with Chinese community, and yeah, if you guys know Chinese, then yeah, please do join us. All right, just sign up a BingX account, do a KYC, then you can claim your VIP here. Where's the onboarding? All right, you guys can claim the VIP here. Just key in your BingX UID. Just key in your BingX UID. All right, and yeah, but it's mostly Chinese. It's mostly Chinese. If you guys know Chinese, please join us. All right, and yeah, of course, we are trying hard to come up with English content as well. We're trying hard to come up with English content as well. So yeah, so if you have more English speaking people, like probably like me, like you have English speaking, you know, I'm not a good English speaker, right? I'm not a good English streamer as well. So my English is Manglish. So if you guys can understand or prefer this kind of thing, just leave more comments down below and you know, let us know. All right. So pretty much that's it for today. And yeah, I'll see you guys again on next Monday. Cool. Any questions? Join our Discord. You know, ask in chat room. All right, we are always there. We are always there. Just to be frank with you, I prefer typing English. So if you are in English chat room, mostly I'm the one who reply you. All right, mostly I'm the one who reply you. So hopefully English chat room is more, I would say, more hype, and then more questions, more interaction. So yeah, I see you guys there. All right, I see you guys there. All right, bye. My Grab is arriving, so yeah, I'll see you guys next Monday. I'll keep you guys updated in Discord or in X. See ya. Goodbye. Great weekend.